Hello there, we're doing more rearrangement of algebraic equations and trying to make different things the subject. Now this video relates to two questions that lots of people get wrong. So hopefully this will help you make sure you get the right answer to it. So as I recommend always, first step is always just check you've written it down correctly or copied it down correctly. Now in the first example I'm going to give you, we're going to try and make y the subject of this equation. So the first thing to do is get your y term on the left. So I just swap the sides. xy equals, xy plus 11 equals 2x plus 4. Next thing I'm going to do is get rid of the adding and subtracting. So I've got my y on the left, I'm going to take away the 11. So I get xy equals 2x, it was plus 4, we're taking away 11, so 4 minus 11, 2x minus 7. Finally, we've done the subtracting, we're going to do the multiplying dividing bit. So the x multiplies the y, so divided away, y equals 2x minus 7 divided by x, and that'll do. You've made y the subject of the equation. Now, a bit harder is the other question you get where it asks you to make x the subject. Now in this case, we still want the same thing. We want to make our target on the left. So we're going to do 2x, that's on the left already, and then we're going to take away xy. 2x minus xy, fine, equals 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So we've taken the numbers to the right and the x terms to the left, always making my subject target the thing on the left. Next is an extra step you don't see in other questions many other questions on Tassomai, which is to unify this x out of these two terms by factorizing. So we're going to take the x term as a factor of these and get 2 minus y. X times 2 minus y equals 7. And then finally, divide away, just like the other example, x equals 7 divided by 2 minus y. And we've got our answer. So the same kind of principles. Check you've read it, put your target on the left, then subtract away the adding and subtracting terms, factorize if you need to, and then you can divide away the multiplying terms. Hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck with the question.